Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're going through an overview of the Microsoft 365 Defender. We'll be taking a look at only the key features here. So, in general, Microsoft 365 Defender helps respond to threats and manage security across your identities, data, devices, apps, and infrastructure. So, starting with the incidents and alerts section, there is currently no data because this is a new account and no alerts have been recorded. Typically, there would be a list of incidents and alerts. It would include the incident name, a unique ID number, the severity of the threat, status, and displays a summary of the incident and provides access to tabs with additional information. One of the key features of the Microsoft 365 Defender is the Secure Score. So, the Microsoft Secure Score is a representation of your organization's security posture and your opportunity to improve it. It's similar to how the Microsoft Compliance Score is designed. Here, it displays the Secure Score of 28.07% for the organization, and right next to it shows a list of actions to review. It also provides a comparison of your organization's Secure Score to other organizations that is similarly set up or designed to other organizations with their Secure Score. The next thing we want to do is to click on Recommended Actions. This will populate the list of actions to review. So on the list of actions to review, we can sort them however we want, such as according to their rank, score impact, points achieved, status, and so on. And once you complete the recommended action, it will increase your security score based on the score impact of the action. As an example, we'll select a simple one such as only invited users should be automatically admitted to Teams meetings. Then we'll click on Implementation, which are the instructions or guide where to go and how to complete the action. So this tells us to go to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, and in the meeting policies, under the Participants and Guests section, toggle automatically admit people to invited users only. So we'll click on Microsoft Teams Admin Center. First thing you'll want to do is to navigate to the On Meetings pane, then click on Meeting Policies. And then on Manage Policies, click on the Add button. We'll need to give this policy a name, so we'll name it Invite Users Only. Then we'll need to look for the policy mentioned in the implementation. After finding the correct section at Participants and Guests, under the Automatically Admit People, we'll need to toggle and change it to Invited Users Only, then click Save. You can now see that the new policy has been added to the list. So that should be completed, and you should see the Secure Score update within 24 hours. Coming back to the Microsoft Secure section, there's a tab that displays the history of your Microsoft Secure Score to see the performance over a period of time, if it increases or decreases. You can also view metrics and trends such as comparison trend, regression trend, and risk acceptance trend that you may be interested in. For the Reports section, there is the General section where you can view information about security trends and track the protection status of your identities, data, devices, apps, and infrastructure. There's also the Email and Collaboration reports where you review Microsoft recommended actions to help improve email and collaboration security, and many more, but we're not going to go through all of them. The Audit section should be similar to the one in the Microsoft Purview Compliance portal, so we won't go over too much. The last section we'll talk about is the Health section, and the main thing we want to look at here is Service Health. So here you can view the issues and health status of all services that are available with your current subscriptions. You can view info about the history of incidents and advisories that have been resolved. And you can track the status of issues reported by people in your organization over the last 30 days. So that's a quick overview of the Microsoft 365 Defender.